how to operate the standard Twin Filter 420 DE filter unit. The Twin Filter DE filter unit consists of 4 major parts: a mix tank, a filter vessel, and 2 air-driven pumps. All hoses should be connected to the unit. Before starting the operation, you have to close all valves. We start with the pre-coat mode to create a layer of cake at the removable filter leads. First, we fill up the mix tank with fresh water by opening the freshwater supply valve N10 and the vent valve N2. A connection is created between the water inlet via the filter vessel to the mix tank. When the mix tank is 2/3 full, close the 2 valves again. Supply mix air to the mix tank and add 70 pounds DE material to the mix tank. When the DE material is dissolved properly, you can open the pre-coat valve N15 and the pre-coat valve N7. A circuit is hereby created from the mix tank to the filter vessel and via the filters back to the mix tank. When we start the big pump at maximum speed, the filter is in the pre-coat position. After about 10 minutes, the water in the mix tank becomes clear. This means that all of the DE material is filtered out of the water, and the filter cake is ready to receive dirty water or processed liquids. This brings us to the filtering mode. Open the outlet valve N5. Close the pre-coat valve N7 and open the inlet valve N3, after which you stop the big pump and close the pre-coat valve N15. The liquid goes from the inlet via the filters to the outlet. The filtration unit is now filtering. As the layer of cake gets plugged by solids, a continuous supply of DE material will keep the filter layer porous at all times. We call this the body feed mode. At first we fill up the mix tank by opening the vent valve N2 very slowly. Close the vent valve N2 when the mix tank is 2/3 full. Supply mix air to the mix tank and add 25 pounds of DE material to the mix tank. Open the body feed valve N8 and start the small pump at low speed. If the pressure difference is stabilizing, the small pump can be stopped or the speed of the pump can be reduced. The mix tank pumps DE material into the filter vessel. When the mix tank is empty, repeat the body feed mode until differential pressure causes the flow rate to drop to an unacceptable level. When the actual filtration has to be stopped or paused for a short period, the filtration unit should be put in circulation mode. To prevent the layer of cake breaking down and sinking to the bottom, open the pre-coat valve N15 and start the big pump. Now close the inlet valve N3, open the pre-coat valve N7 and close the outlet valve N5. The filtration unit is now in circulation. Circulation is created between the mix tank and the filter vessel via the filters. The pressure of the big pump ensures a stable cake. When you want to, you can go back to the filtering mode again. When the filtering is all done, you go to the clean-out mode. Close the inlet valve N3. Pressurize the filter vessel with compressed air by opening the valve air to vessel at the control panel. Now the dirty brine in the filter vessel will be filtered, so that there is no dirty brine dumped into the environment. If the filter vessel is emptied, close the air to vessel valve and close the outlet valve. Open the dump valve N6 and the freshwater supply valve N10. Fresh water passes via the spray unit in the filter vessel to the dump outlet. The spray unit cleans the filters from the outside where the cake is. After a little while, you can take some water samples from outlet N26. When no more DE material is found, you can stop cleaning. When the cloth of a filter element has been cut, you can repair it easily. Cut a piece of repair material to the right size. Put some silicone kit around the cut. Spread it with your fingers and put the repair material over it. Wait until it's dry. To stick it very tight, you have to sew it to the cloth of the filter element. You need a bent needle and a pair of tongs to do this. The filter leaves can easily be put in place. Every filter leaf has a nozzle that fits into the manifold. The nozzle has an O-ring to ensure a tight connection on the manifold. In case of filter leaf failure, you are able to use an isolation plug. When all filter leaves are in place, the spray pipes can be maneuvered into position. Make sure that the spray pipes are well divided between the filter elements. Ensure that the spray pipe fits properly into the two nozzles provided. Now you can close the cover, lower and align the lid, which is sealed by a rubber ring, and tighten the bolts. We hope that this video has provided you with a clear insight into the standard 420 DE filter unit, and that you'll be able to work successfully with this and other twin filter units.